Okay, so welcome back. So sa video nito, sosolve natin tong stored XSS into HTML context with nothing encoded. So this lab contains a stored cross-site scripting vulnerability in the comment functionality. To solve this lab, submit a comment that calls the alert function when the blog post is viewed, no? So access natin lab, tingnan natin. So maghanap muna tayo ng comment functionality dito, no? And meron tayong mga posts, so malamang may comment functionality sa loob. Buksan natin. And makita natin sa baba, ayan, meron tayong comment functionality. So, try natin muna, no? So, try natin jlearnph, jlearn@ph.com, and hello.com. And post comment. Gusto niya ata na may https, :// and there you go. So, post comment, medyo mabagal lang, pero let's see. Ayan, thank you for comment, comment been submitted, back to blog, and tingnan natin yung comment natin, no? So, ayan yung comment natin. Tingnan natin sa page source kung ano yung tsura. And ayan siya, no? So, jlearnph, and to hello.com jlearnph. So, try natin ngayon mag-input ng mga symbols. So, tulad niyan, 1, 2, 3. @gmail.com, let's say, then website is https hello.com pa rin. And post comment ulit. Ayaw niya lagyan ng ganyan. So, try natin 123@gmail. So, habang naglo-load yan, let's see, ayan. And back to blog. And tignan natin to, no? So, view source tayo ulit. And tignan natin sa baba. So, ayan, makikita natin na hindi nga siya na-encode whatsoever. Etong isa, na-encode siya, no? Naging LTGT. Pero ito, hindi. Okay? So, meaning dito sa comment box na to, pwede natin lagyan ng script alert. Let's say, lagyan natin 1 script. And then, for the name, just like, put jlearnph, jlearnph.com, and https, hello.com. Okay? So, post comment. And, okay, nasolve na yung lab. Pero tignan natin. Back to blog tayo. Ayan, na-trigger yung XSS. So, just for proof, no, tignan natin na wala dito yung script alert natin, hindi nasulat kasi nakasama na siya doon sa web page. And pag bin-new source natin, dito sa may baba, makikita natin na, ayan, no, nasa loob ng p tags yung script alert natin and nag-execute siya. Okay? So, ito yung stored XSS. And I hope na-gets nyo to and see you in the next video.